like your fit.
You got the collection.
I love that. You're rolling. Okay, what else you got? You got some snacks in there? I see some snacks in the bag. What's your favorite sport? Football?
What's up, man? How are you?
I like your shoes.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Love
What's
your
up? How are you?
Oh yeah, for sure. Like I'm in the room. Yeah, no, for sure. Hey, what, 11? Brett 11.
So get sturdy. I'll buy you shoes today. Get sturdy right now. Next song. All right, you ready?
LABB who we running with. Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm on 10 again.
I got this after this. Who kicks? Let's do it. It's right here too. Whatever you want. I got you.
I just flip the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass. Slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money took my toasted, I had these big bags on big bags. Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB who we running with. Yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again.
$500 of Pokemon phone. This $200, 21 cash in here.
I get to keep your shoes too?
Yeah, keep everything on me.
Now we gotta buy me some more.
I just got some Jordan 3 cement 3s. My second favorite Jordan. Bless me, man.
Only at the cool.
I have those shoes I need.
What shoes you like, brother?
Well, you have to ask them where your sizes are.
Oh.
My sizes are like 2.
I think we have any 2 here.
3, 4 left. The thing about it is he grows, so eventually he's gonna grow into it.
Or then we gotta go cook it.
Cool kids would really have more. What's the smallest?
Do they have Yeezys?
Yeah.
I don't have Yeezys.
I don't think
You don't need Yeezy. Nike. Come on, Nike. Think about Nike Jordan. Nike Jordan.
He's got a point though. Yeezys are comfortable.
So you want to know the reason I only wear Nike? 2K and 2K5. No, 2K9. Well, I have this one, but I'll take it. Oh, just to put some shoes on.
They need something.
I need something. I have this one, but this will be my pair to rock. One to rock, one to stop.
Can
you at least do the shoe change for me?
Yeah, no. Hey, take your shoes back, bro.
No, bro, no. You ready to have?
It's for the people? Yeah. No, I'm about to bless
No. That's you.
Hey, I have these.
Hey, yo. Those are fire.
6 a.m. tea times. 18 with the mayor talking land banks. I waited for it, gotta get mine.
You want those?
Yeah.
I have those too. These are fire. Don't give them these. No, I'm just kidding. This your size?
No, that's your size.
Content Disneyland.
Okay, hi, Sky.
Yeah, it's literally right. This is Sniper Panda. Neon
That's
Sniper
good.
Panda. He's the one that challenged Rogan.
Get sturdy. I'll buy you shoes today.
So now we're down here going shoe shopping. We already found a few kicks.
Oh, sturdy.
We looking for some more.
Sturdy.
He challenged Rogan. This next store we're going, I guess they got a basketball hoop. He said, Rogan, you make a shot, $1,000.
$1,000.
One try.
One warm up.
Oh, he's got one warm up?
One warm up.
You guys think Rogan's gonna make it?
Let's find
Come
out.
on, show squad. Come on.
Shooters shoot. You already know the deal.
We got FaZe Rogan. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give him a shot at $1,000. I'm sorry, we're gonna buy him.
I got you, man. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? You good? All right, brother. I got you, man.
Oh, you gotta make that one.
One shot. Get one practice. You gotta make it from here.
Hey, I can't make that.
Yeah, you can.
Get a practice shot. Get a practice shot. One more practice shot. Get one. One more practice shot. Easy. Do that again.
$1,000, ready?
Ready? Wait. You ready?
Hey, again. Hey,
Of course you get the next one.
5 minutes, I'm gonna shoot 3 times, 1 hand. 5 minutes, once, I'm gonna give you another time.
Okay.
Alright.
One.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, not like this. Not like this. You want me to one-legged too? Ah! Give me another try.
Alright, here we go.
One more. Let's go.
Let's go.
They might be a little big.
They're gonna be huge on you.
Oh, they said fine.
They'll probably fit you good in like 6 months. I'll buy them for you if you want them.
My heart.
I got you. I got you.
2.5. I think Roger was.
You heard me say I'm buying them.
Broski. Everything you do has to be 100% authentic.
This a normal day in the life for you or what?
Normal day in the life. Can I get some work senses as well? 10.5. I don't have any to rock. I feel bad not buying shoes anyway.
What?
You're not settling.
That's her
You like it a
favorite
lot.
color. That's her favorite color.
Shark versus panda.
I-
Who's gonna win?
The panda probably won't.
On land, Panda's going hard.